What's happening, guys? How you doing today? This is Dave, your favorite dent guy, coming to you here from the Dent tent. Sorry it's been a while since I put out a new video, but I got a really cool dent today for you guys to check out. I think you guys will like it. Come check it out. We have a 2021 Toyota CRV, and I think what happened, they backed into who knows what. It's too sharp to be a pole. But yeah, you guys can see how deep this crease is. Coming all the way down and made another sharp point right here. It's bowed out here on the top. You can see the ridge. And there's another ridge line over here. Comes down all the way down here to the bottom. But pretty difficult dent. Very nice car. I'm going to try to do my best to get this crease completely out. This is going to be a real difficult task. But if you guys stick around and check it out, and you can see exactly how I do it. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. Bye.